Hello guys, welcome to this channel. My name is Emmanuel, and on this channel I want to be showing you a little tips on how to get some fractional shares. Now, basically to get a fractional shares, you cannot buy it on your Nigerian stock. You can only get it when you're buying a US stock. Alright, so to get a fractional shares, you can buy in US stock. Like maybe if you want to buy like a shares that worth around $150 and you don't have a $150 currently, but you have less than $50, $20, even say for $10, even as low as $5, you can buy into some of these US stock. Now, the reason why you cannot buy a naira in bit is because the minimum money you can fund your wallet with in Nigeria is 5,000 naira. I'm talking about Bamboo, which is one of the best app I've been using so far. And then after Invest 2.0, you can load any amount, but the minimum of all the shares go for 5,000 naira. And you know, 5,000 naira, if you convert it to US dollars, is less than $5. So I think that is one of the reasons you cannot buy. You can buy Nigerian stock with that, but you cannot buy a US stock. But you can buy a US stock rather in fractional, and you can keep buying it till you're able to complete it. Because like some of the shares in the US stock market are of high rate, like Tesla is over close to 500 and the likes. So I'll be showing you a short video. I'll be showing you on how to do it on your Bamboo app, because I use Bamboo, but AfriInvest 2.0 did not have access to trade US stock currently, because almost all their stocks are Nigerian based stock. But for your Bamboo, you can do it on Bamboo, you can do it on Trove, you can do it on Rise and many other like that. But for now, I'll be doing a short video on how to buy fractional shares on Bamboo app. Buying fractional shares on. So I'll be showing you a video. I'll be showing you a tutorial on how to buy these shares. Any amount you are buying, you can buy it. Once is just fraction, and the beauty of it is, as you're buying it, it is compounding. You can buy at a higher rate today, and then tomorrow maybe the price drop. You can also seize the opportunity till you're able to have your 1 unit shares already in it. And if you check some of my previous video, I already do a detailed tutorial on how to get it. But I'll be doing a very short video to this to see how you can get a fractional shares in your US stock. And don't forget something, the US stock market opens 2 p.m. Nigerian time. It opens 2 p.m. Nigerian time, and the market closes by 9 p.m. Nigerian time. The timing in Nigeria is quite different from that of the US market. And now Nigerian market opens officially by 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday through to Fridays. So guys, just stay tuned as I'll be taking you on a very short video on how to buy the US stock in a fraction. Okay guys, now I want to show you how to buy your US stock using your Bamboo app. It's very simple. You can see the US stock that we have here. We have US stock. Now, if you look at it, I have the money I can use. The amount left for me to buy shares is 12,013 naira on the Nigerian currency. Now, this is not a US currency but a Nigerian currency. So I'm going to be buying shares that is less than $10, because approximately $10 is around 15,000 naira, around 14,000 approximately. But with all the charges and all the rest, we make it to resume to 15,000 naira, which I'm not buying any shares up to that, but I'm buying shares which is less than 10,000 naira. I'm buying shares which is less than 10,000, which is less than $10. Now let's go to our shares. So we just go to the countries. You can see US stock. I'm buying US stock. Now I want to buy a stock, and don't forget that US stock start by 2 p.m. in Nigerian time and ends by 9 p.m. Now you can see we have a lot of stocks here, but some of the stocks have been having
they have been having a kind of very dropped in their prices. But I have a shares at the back of my mind I want to buy. So let me just type it and go get it. Okay, let's buy some stocks. Actually, I want to buy into some gold mining stocks. So let's go get the gold mining. I'm getting on name because the gold has hit the highest markets for the since for a while now. It has been the highest. Now you need to be very careful when you are coming to this. This is the gold mining company I'm talking about. NME, Newmont Mining Company, is a gold mining company in US, based in US. Now their stock goes for 115 naira. Now let's buy. Since we are buying bit of it, we are not buying everything. Now let's try. How many dollars can I buy? That is it. You can see shares per dollar. That is it. But since I'm not buying up to that, let me just type $8. That is around 11,000 naira. So done. Let me order it. You can see I can place another, and I'm buying how many units? You can see that it's going to be, since I'm buying less than the cost of it on the market. That's, you can see the price it goes for. Now I'm buying $8, so I'm buying for $7, and then their own commission is $1 because I'm not buying up to. If I should buy up to one now, they will have charged me the same amount, but because I'm buying less, they're charging me $1 for the transaction. So you can see now I'm buying the unit I'm buying for name months. It's a gold mining company in US. I'm buying numbers of shares I'm buying is 0.0601413 units. That is the amount that my dollars can afford at the moment. So what do I do? Let me place the order to go get it now. You can see it's rolling, still rolling. Now my market order has been successful. Now you can see that your market order was successful, executed. Now what do I need to do? Should I need to go and check, or I should just continue now? Okay, thanks. Now you can see this is their own advert coming up, but I'm not doing that. I'll just close it since I'm not doing it now. You can see the shares I just purchased. Now if you look at my Nigerian wallet, you realize that my Nigerian wallet has dropped. Now look at my US stock. The $8 that I acquired has been moved to my US stock. So this is how it is being carried out. Very simple and stress free. What you just need to do is understand the market strategy. Now, any shares you are buying, study it very well and know more about the stock before buying them. Now, the new month I buy is a gold mining company in USA, and I'm still coming back to buy some other stocks. Especially now, I will be going into real estate. One of my mentors do say something. He said we should diversify you in your shares. Don't just buy a shares, and diversify countries, diversify the currency. Now, if you look at the Nigerian economy, the way rate dollar is going up and coming down every day shows that there is a more need for Nigerians to go into buying of more stock. Buying of US stocks gives us a more leverage to have some US fund in our personal accounts. And when you have your US funds, and maybe when your stock is rising, you can sell it off and cash out and use the money, convert it to your current Nigerian currency, then you are good to go. So that will be all for on this video. See you guys in my next video. Peace out. Okay guys, I would like you guys to please follow me, comment and like my post, as I'm going to be giving you updates on stocks, and then more updates are coming about stocks. So guys, and if you're interested in joining the bamboo, I'll be sending the link in the comments in this section here. You can just click the follow like button and click on the link to get started, as I'll be giving you more interested. You can easily just comment and follow and like this post. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.